Alright, this is going to be the elevator here at 230 Harrisburg Avenue here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. And we have an old Otis with Series 1 to ride. It's got the uncommon exterior floor decor on the outside. Go up to 2. Instant leveling. Go back down to 1, door close button works. No phone. There's your certificate, unknown installation here. We'll send the floor again, going back to 2. Here we go. I like how this thing levels instantly. Back down to 1. Capacity is 2,500. Watch phone go out. Unfortunately, no plastic leveling. There's your Otis logo on the door track. Not sure what year this was installed. I presume a mid-80s to early 90s install. Somewhere around that time. Anyways, there goes the elevator, and that'll be it.